What's up everybody, it's the BigE and welcome to another tech review. Today, gang, we are talking about another mouse on this channel. First and foremost, before we start off, complete transparency, this company did send me these mouse on the house. I was looking forward to doing that. I'm not being paid to push this product, so this is just 100% my feelings and thoughts after using this mouse for a couple weeks. So the amazing people over at HK Gaming sent out the G-Wolves Hati. Is it Hati or Hati? So the first version that they sent out was this like smoked kind of like charcoal matte black looking flavor. That's one really unique thing about this mouse is they have a lot of different variations and colors. Now to be clear as well, I'm pretty sure that these are the early versions that they sent out to me as well. These are both the HTM Classic editions. Still trying to understand like the different types of mouse that are coming out with, and I'm still trying to kind of like understand the backstory behind these companies. The reason why I'm actually working with these guys is I did a review on the Hati 68, which happens to be the same provider or distributor of the same company for the G-Wolves Hati. Again, I'm trying to learn all this. I'm new into the tech game. Give me a second. It is really cool though to be working with a lot of these up and coming companies though. Now to dive into the mouse, my previous experience these last few months has been with the Ninja Air 58, the Model O mouse, the Model O minus mouse, the new UltraLight FinalMouse, and of course the Hati as well. So right off the rip, in comparison, at the time I was using the new FinalMouse. And if you guys have not used that yet, it is insanely well done, except it is extremely, extremely small. But for me, I have bigger palms and shorter fingers. So having that smaller mouse has helped for sure. So I really enjoyed the Model O minus and the new FinalMouse. Now the G-Wolves Hati kind of fits in between the Model O and like the Model O minus range. It's like a mouse right in between the sides. But the big thing I noticed is that it seems to be a little taller, which seems to fit in my palm a little bit more, but with it being a little shorter seems to help out with my stubby little fingers. Fucking bastards. Since I was really used to the FinalMouse and Model O mouse, I did notice like right out of the box, like right out of the gate, it just feels chintzy, you know what I mean? It just doesn't feel as like well put together as these other mice. And again, I think these are early stages as well. But with my newest color, I did force myself to use it a little bit more. And then in the last recent week, I've actually found myself using it more than my FinalMouse. I'm not gonna sit here and tell you I'm an insanely tech guy. I can't say like, oh, it's speed, the response time, yada, yada, yada. I can just say personally for me that I'm finding out I like this shape a lot more compared to the FinalMouse and the Model O minus. I think the problem with me that I have with the Model O minus compared to the new Hati mouse that I've been trying is that the Model O minus seems to be drastically shorter in comparison to the Hati here. With the Model O minus and the G-Wolves Hati, you can see the size difference overall within themselves. I also had an awesome opportunity to unbox my most recent mouse, and the reason why I point that out is because these things come with amazing packaging. For such a small company, I'm seriously shocked at what you get when it comes to receiving the mouse. Check out their freaking packaging. Like, this is such a small company, and look what they do here. You have this nice outer box, soft, nice feeling plastic shit, and then look at that. Has G-Wolves on the side, some awesome designs that I highly approve of, and you pop it open, and you have even further, like, good information. Ooh, that looks sick. I'll show you why in a second, why they sent it. So they got little things for the bottom of the mouse in itself, little gliders, some information on the mouse. Let's be real, we don't really care about that. We care about the mouse that we're about to look at. Ooh, man. This is actually really sick. The reason why they sent me this mouse here is they noticed my new branding and they thought that this would pair up nicely with my mouse and keyboard because it's kind of like that Miami vibe that I'm going for. So blue and pink. Real men wear pink. Wow, this is nice. So as you've seen in that unboxing, you get these awesome like tin cans that come with like more packaging, some extra accessories, lighters for the bottom and whatnot. Like check out this can. Look at the artwork on this. This is just so cool. It's like these little collectible cans that you can put your mouse in. I mentioned the accessories. For example, they give you an extra cable for your mouse if anything goes wrong with the first one, which from recent feedback on the Model O minus mouse might be something that they have to take into consideration. There's been word going around that some people have been having problems with the cables in the Model O minus mouse. I have not experienced it, and I do have one friend out of my many friends who have the Model O minus mouse who did experience it. The other ones have not experienced it. Just an update with that, if you're not aware, I've been told that Glorious is not going to void the warranty if you do have to replace the cable for your mouse. And if you are having a problem with your Model O mouse, I would just highly suggest that you reach out to Glorious and see if they can't get it replaced if you don't know how to replace that cable yourself. Anyways, back to the Hati. This thing is light. I always love this little like honeycomb design when it comes to these mice, because for me, it's not really a lightweight thing. It's more of like, I'm a hefty guy and I sweat a lot, so it's nice to have this like venting, you know what I mean, to give it like a lot of room to breathe. I just noticed ever since I switched to these type of mice that I don't have that problem anymore. I definitely am a bigger fan of the FinalMouse wheel compared to this. Everything, like I said, just feels a little bit kind of cheaper as of now. But if these are like the early additions for this mouse, and this is how they're coming in swinging with the market, I've had experience with their keyboards already. I'm gonna say that they're gonna be completely aware of these because it seems like they have a very good quality to their products. And by people like us doing these reviews and giving them feedback, I think they would probably take care of this stuff. I can't tell you like, hey, go out and buy this because it's better than anything that you have right now. It's the best in the market. But I am really surprised that I am using it over these more popular brands that are out there right now. Again, that can be a personal preference. I mean, this mouse at the time of this video, $79.99, which you get the mouse, you get extra gliders, you get an extra cable, you get this collector's box. And as far as I'm aware and see, everything is ready to go. I can add to this cart and it would actually be here tomorrow at my door, ready to play. I know one problem that people have right now when it comes to a lot of this stuff is back orders and, you know, only having like a collector's edition. Like the FinalMouse only comes out with so many. Once those are gone, you're gonna have to pay an extreme markup to get their products from just private sellers. I'm not sure right now if a Model O mouse is on back order, but again, kind of like same situation. Sometimes the only ones available are ones that people have that they are selling themselves that are marked up by a shit ton. If you trust my word and you're in the market for a new mouse, especially kind of like just a smaller one, but not an insanely small one like the FinalMouse, I can definitely recommend it. I think for $79.99 right now, it is a great deal. As always, the link is in the description if you do want to check it out. I also have my Amazon store link in the description of the video, so if you want to use anything else that I use to make these videos, that I game with, like my mouse and keyboard, my stream setup, whatever it may be, it's all in the store down below. Also, just a reminder to be sure to head on over to my vlog channel so you can see more personal unboxings and just other stuff that we talk about over there as well. Just a friendly reminder. So yeah, gang, if you're in the market, check it out. It's worth peeping the slab. If not, hey, don't listen to me. At least I tried. That's all I got for you guys today. I'm out. Peace.